Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make a super easy and delicious ceviche. In case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alright guys, so first we're going to start by peeling, deveining, and cleaning out our shrimp. I'm using 2 pounds of medium-sized shrimps. So once we do that, we're going to get started. Alright, so I'm going to keep my shrimps as a whole, but if you want to cut them, then after you clean them, you can do that. So now we are ready to add the lemon. Alright, so we're going to cover our shrimp with fresh lime juice. So I'm going to use about 10 to 12 limes. So get your limes ready. Alright, so squeeze the lime juice out of your limes. Alright, so we're going to cook our shrimps with the acid from the lime juice. Now, if you don't feel comfortable eating your shrimps like this, then just boil them. So you're going to boil your shrimps until they turn into a beautiful salmon color. You can buy the ready-to-eat shrimp. So I use about 10 limes. So now we're just going to cover it with foil and we're going to place it in the refrigerator and let it sit for about 30 minutes or until all of our shrimps has turned into a beautiful salmon color. Again, so at the 15-minute mark, we're going to mix our shrimp just to make sure that they're fully coated with the lime juice and they cook evenly. Alright guys, so while we wait for our shrimp, we're going to begin to chop all of our vegetables. So I'm going to start by chopping 5 roma tomatoes. Alright guys, so I ended up just using 4 roma tomatoes. My roma tomatoes are a little bigger than normal. So I'm going to transfer now my tomatoes into a bowl. Alright, so now I'm just going to grab 1/4 of a white onion and I'm just going to cut into small little pieces. And just keep in mind the ingredients, you can use as much as you want or use less. Alright, so once we have our onion, we're going to transfer it with our tomatoes. Alright, so now we're just going to grab a half of a purple onion and we're going to slice into small strips. Alright, so just break your purple onion and then transfer it with your tomatoes and your other onions. Alright, so now for my chiles, I'm going to use 1 chile serrano and 1 habanero. Now, if you don't want your ceviche to be spicy, just add 1 jalapeno. So just cut into small little circles. Alright, so for my habanero, I'm going to cut it smaller. Now, if you use habanero, just be careful because it is spicy. Use gloves if you need to so you don't get on your skin. Alright, so once we have our chiles, we're going to transfer them with the rest of our ingredients. Alright, so I'm going to use 2 cucumbers. So remove the ends. Just rub it. Don't rub it if you don't want to. This is a habit for me. Just peel it. And do the same to the other cucumber. Alright, so now we're just going to cut our cucumber in half. We're going to remove the seeds. Grab a spoon and carve your cucumber. Just to remove all the seeds. Okay, so just cut your cucumber into 4 strips. Maybe 5. And then cut into small cubes. Alright, so we're going to transfer our cucumber with our tomatoes, onions, and chiles. Alright, so now we're just going to grab a small bunch of cilantro and just chop it. Alright, so transfer your cilantro to your bowl. Alright, so I'm going to use 1/2 pound of imitation crab. Now, if you don't like imitation crab, don't use it. So I'm going to grab it and I'm just going to cut it in half and shred it. So it's very easy to shred. Just pull it apart. So just pull it apart and shred it. Alright, so once we're done shredding our imitation crab, we're just going to place it on top of our vegetables. And at this point, our shrimp should be done and ready for us to get it all together. Alright, so once our shrimp is ready, we're going to drain all of the lime juice. Alright, so now we're going to transfer our shrimp into the bowl. We're going to be mixing everything together. add your shrimps, your imitation crab, tomatoes, onion, cilantro, chiles, and cucumbers. So we're going to season our ceviche with garlic salt, and that's all going to be to taste. Some black pepper, and some regular salt. Okay. To that, we're going to squeeze out the juice of 1 lemon. And 1 lime. Now mix it all together. Alright, so now we're going to place it in the refrigerator for 20 minutes. Alright guys, so after 20 minutes, our ceviche is done. So now we are ready for the fun part. Alright guys, and now for the fun part, putting our ceviche together. Now you can use tostadas for this as well, but I'm going to be using some Tostitos. I'm going to grab a plate and just place my Tostitos. Okay, don't be shy. Okay, so grab your ceviche and place it on top of your Tostitos. So I'm going to grab like all the vegetables, and then grab the shrimp, since I left the shrimps as a whole, and just kind of place them on top. So grab your little shrimp piece. So now you can add some of your favorite hot sauce. I'm just going to add a little bit of Valentina. Alright guys, I'm just going to add some avocado. And there you go, our easy and delicious ceviche. Get your michelada or your Coke and enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. I am so ready, my mouth is so watery. It smells delicious. Now enjoy. Seriously, super delicious. It's a little spicy, but for me, this is perfect. So simple, so easy, full of flavor. The best. Hey guys, and there you have it on how I make a super easy and delicious ceviche. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video.